Hi, this is Himangini Singh and I am in Hyderabad after winning the crown of Miss Asia Pacific World 2012. We were here to do the IMSHE pageant and I have crowned the winner now who is going to represent India at Miss Universe. I wish her all the luck. May she get the crown back to India as I did and make us all proud. This has been a fantastic year with me because obviously with the crown comes with a lot of glory and glitz and glamour and sparks. So by far I have been really busy doing a lot of shoots and prints and everything. So it's been a busy year and I will be updating you on MissMalini.com very soon.
Hi, I'm Parul Dukal, Miss Globe International India 2011. I'm here for IMSHE 2012 in Hyderabad. It has been a wonderful experience. I had crowned Miss Shilpa Singh. She's beautiful. Although I hated to, crown the other girl because I love the glory that it gave me for a year. But it's exciting to see new girls coming and taking over. And I hope they make India as proud as I did.
Hi, I'm Ranvijay and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. I am here in Hyderabad at the IMSHE 2012. Till the time you don't come here, you won't believe what I'm about to say. The amount of inspiration that these girls were today on stage was amazing. The involvement of the families, involvement of Sushmita Sen. She is gorgeous and she's so good when she's on there and she's such an inspiration for all these girls. And the fact that they actually focus on giving these girls education in the best universities across the world is very heartening to know. The focus is on education and knowledge and not just the glitz and glamour of it. And I got to see it firsthand today. The production quality is unbelievable. This place is amazing. I don't know how they just pulled this. Apparently the last 10 days have been very heavy. It's time for them to party and I'm just going to go join them.
Hi, I'm Arman Baveja and I'm in Hyderabad right now. Just finished judging the IMSHE contest for 2012. Fabulous experience, lovely. I have utmost respect for Sushmita and what she's doing with this event. So I would say it's a dream come true to actually have to judge women. Is something we've all done during our schooling and college years, and now we're actually doing it out here officially, legally. So it was a great experience. And so I think most of the contestants had a lot of potential, a lot of panache, but obviously you have to choose a winner. Such is life. But I think the three girls who won, it was really funny because I was actually sitting with Mary Com and Mukta and Neeta Ma'am. We were having lunch together in the afternoon, and it's coincidental that all four of us actually picked on the same three girls, and those three actually ended up coming. Obviously not in the same ranking, but as long as the three were amongst the top three, I think so. No wonder they landed up in the top three, I'm presuming, because four of us had similar choices.
Hi, I'm Neeta Gula, and you're watching me on MissMalini.com, my favorite blog. I'm here to judge the IMSHE contest in Hyderabad, and we've just had the winners, and they are Urvashi, Arlet and Shilpa. And I think they deserved winning because they were fantastic. They had a lot of spunk in them. They were great at the answer question round, and they had a great style, a great stance, and fantastic poise. And I think they had what it takes to be the winners.
Hello everybody, this is me, Samir Kocha, welcoming you all on MissMalini.com.
What was it?
It was really nice working on this event. I've not done a beauty pageant in a long time. I thought absolutely wonderful to see the spirit at which the show was held. I think Sushmita does a great job. If there's an authority on beauty pageants in our country, I guess it has to be her. She put India on the map 18 years ago when she won Miss Universe, and just the passion with which she's grooming these young girls who are coming from small cities all over India to come out here and see a platform as big as this, I think speaks volumes of the fact that we have so much beauty all over the country, and if you really go out there to get it and harness it, well, we can really put a challenge up for the world, and the top three are certainly going to make a challenge up to the world when they go out there and represent India. So very happy to be here. Really enjoyed the experience of hosting an event like this.